What is going on, my future meta millionaires? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip, guys. I got some fantastic information and news in this video, so buckle up, sit down, grab a drink, and let's get to this information. First, we talked about here in the Fintel of this random Tiff investment program, guys, with the negative shares. Well, guess what? Fintel replied back, and we have an answer, and it does make sense. And yes, our suspicion is correct. So stay tuned to get that information. All right, guys, so here it is. In my email, I got the reply. You can see my question, Mmat institutional ownership seller question. And we got Wilton Risen Hoover responded back from the Fintel here. Wilton Risen Hoover commented, "Hi, if an institution reports negative shares, it means they have borrowed them too short. All the best, Wilton." Right there it is. If the institution reports negative shares, they have borrowed them too short. So right there it is in black and white. We got the answer. So that is what we were suspecting. So this company here, sometime in the last 30 to 45 days, shorted. They borrowed those shares to short, and then I assume they returned them. That's what I believe that is, man. We got some fantastic other information here on the Fintel. I got to give you these midday updates because I got a couple days off work. So I'm bringing you the info that I have right now. Also, I'll come back with a video out later tonight to give you more of the finished info. And I got some fantastic news on that short borrower rate fee. It just keeps going up. That means the shorts are just going to have to keep paying up. They want to keep shorting. So let's go take a look at that information. All right, guys. So first, we're going to look under the institutional ownership. You can see now institutional owners is 142 total, 128 long. We got 4 short, 10 long and short. And everything here looks about the same. Our institutional ownership accumulation score just keeps going up, 98.82, ranked 391 out of 124,000 stocks. Now, what I want to get in here too is the short interest because there is some juicy information here. All right, as it was loading up here, we got under the introduction, we got a highlighted yellow field here. We need to cover this. Update alert. August 25th, 2021, as part of our ongoing effort to provide the highest quality data, we have signed a licensing deal with Capital IQ for some significant and important financial metrics. In the coming weeks, we will reveal more of what this means, but the first 2 financial metrics are shares outstanding and public float. These 2 metrics are extremely important for understanding short squeeze potential, and Capital IQ provides some of the most accurate figures in the industry. We are happy to be able to provide the same data to you. All shares outstanding and public float dated after August 25th, 2021 will be sourced from Capital IQ. Wow! What? Fintel, man. I'm loving you guys. The Fintel website is all about it, man. I love it. So we're going to see how this all comes into effect later on as they get the site updated, but it is coming here in weeks to come, guys. The short squeeze score did go up a little bit more, 74.07. I believe he was like 70 yesterday, ranked 926 over out of 9,151 shares. Now the short shares availability, check this out. We know we had, I think it was 150, yeah, right here, 18 hours, there was 150,000. Someone came later on and I guess returned back 50,000. Then we had someone 6 hours ago, short sale, I guess 50,000. 5 hours ago, someone took all the shares and shorted 150,000 shares at 11:31 this morning. And here at 14:08 today, I don't know what time, UTC timestamp, so it's a different time zone. But someone returned back 100,000 shares. It's updated 29 minutes ago, so that's up-to-date information on the Fintel. There's only 100,000 shares, but just a couple hours ago there was 0. Someone did return it because this is what I've seen down here, the short borrower rate fee. We ended last night in my video where I told you guys this stock is starting to get a little bit more expensive for the shorts to short. So last night we ended at a 4.28%. Look at today, 4.55%, up about another 0.25%. 4.55% to short the stock. So it is going up. It's getting harder to short the stock, and it's going to be because there's no, like, really, as you can see up there in the leading prime brokerage, there's just not really many shares to short. People return them, and as soon as they do, they go back out shorted. And with the green days we've had, now today's kind of, whatever. But anyway, today's not looking bad. I mean, it's just a little bit of a red day, but nothing crazy, guys. It's healthy. It's a healthy pullback. We're going to burst out of this, probably shoot up into the 4s. Just my prediction here in the next couple of weeks. Let the market and this whole Afghanistan thing calm down. That's the only thing I really believe is pulling the market down a little bit today is the troubles over there in Afghanistan, Taliban, all that mess. But here we go. We do got the updated numbers for the 25th here. Yeah, so last night we did know that the Fintel short volume ratio was 22.36. And we finally did get the CBOE short volume ratio. And I did say it was going to be the combined short volume ratio of these three brokerages to be around 25%. It was 27.56. So like I said, on the 20th, it was 58.49. On the 23rd, it was 47.73. On the 24th, 36.91. And here on yesterday, the 25th, was 27.56. So I think it is getting maybe a little bit too more expensive for the shorts to start wanting to keep shorting this stock. I'm just checking down here if we got any other updates. And no, I don't believe so. But we do got a lot of buyers. So I want to go in here and cover the buyers that we do have right now. Here we go. So we got this Russell 3000 ETF has 19,185 shares as a new position. It says the average share price is 86.04. That has to be some kind of glitch of some sort. But here we got the small cap index NAD trust fund. They increased their total position to 14,347 shares. We got the John Hancock Variable Insurance Trust disclosing they now have 10,803 shares at an average price of $4.57. We got the Jet Total Stock Index Trust Fund. Has a total of 1,228 shares. We got the iShares Microcap ETF, 152,971 total shares right there, guys. So keep that in mind. Average price $17.10. Interesting. Quantitative Master Series Master Small Cap Index has 93,738 shares. Average price $17.10. We got the iShares Russell 2000 Growth ETF, 487,320 shares at a weird average price of $86.04. That has to be some kind of error. The 17 is possible because we was over 21. We got a lot here. The Master Index, 7,773 shares at $17.10. We got this small cap here at 6,862 shares at $17.46. And our last one is the Russell 2000. 1,407,000 shares at an average price of $86.04. All right, guys, I just want to end it here talking about a little positive note on the Meta/MMAT community. My man Dominic here said, glad to be part of the strongest community out there. This is just the beginning of what the future holds. Great things for us meta millionaires. And he tagged everyone here. And I replied back and people got a kick out of it. And I put here, my favorite place to eat with my MMAT family. At the Tendies, that's right. That's where we're going to be eating at, is at the Tendies. That's right, guys. Give it time. Let time go on. We're going to be eating later at the Tendies. Also, just wanted to put that out there. It is pretty funny. A lot of other people has been replying to that as well. Go check out the Reddit group, MMATR. Now, I think it's Jay Bridge. Yeah, Jay Bridge here is running this, and he's doing a fantastic job, guys. There's a lot of great information in here. You got Uncle Smokey, we got Sterling in here, we're all in here. That there, I'm not going to lie, that one there of the Jim Cramer, Ken Griffin, broke back. That is just so wrong. But it's so funny. I mean, how can you not laugh? He also did a community post in here as well, going over all of the YouTubers. You know, the main three was, of course, me, Smokey, and Stern. There's other people out there. But we just kind of stay in a little, group. We promote each other because, we like the way we all have our different views on how we give out the information. So if you like all that, information from everyone in different styles and flavors, man, this is the perfect. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Check out the links down below. Check out Sterling and Smokey as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.